When it comes to improving your home's energy efficiency, one of the most effective upgrades you can make is installing new windows. If you live in Laurel, Maryland, where the climate can fluctuate from humid summers to cold winters, ensuring your windows are energy efficient can make a significant difference in your home's comfort and your utility bills. Old, drafty windows often let air in and out, making it harder to maintain a consistent temperature inside, leading to higher heating and cooling costs. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows during a window installation in Laurel can provide numerous benefits, including lower energy bills, better insulation, and a more comfortable home environment year-round. Here's how new window installation can boost your home's energy efficiency and why it's a smart investment for homeowners in Laurel. Improved insulation. The primary role of windows is to provide a clear view to the outside while also offering protection from the elements. However, old or poorly sealed windows often fail at keeping the outside temperature from entering your home. This can make your heating and air conditioning systems work harder, leading to unnecessary energy use. Double and triple pane windows are one of the best ways to boost your home's insulation. These windows are designed with 2 or 3 layers of glass with air or gas, like argon or krypton, sealed between them. This insulation helps to reduce heat transfer and improves your home's ability to retain a consistent internal temperature, preventing drafts and reducing the workload on your HVAC system. Low-E glass coatings are another great option for energy-efficient windows. These coatings reflect heat back into the home during the winter and block excess solar heat in the summer, making your home more comfortable in all seasons. By improving your home's insulation, window installation in Laurel can directly reduce the amount of energy you need to heat and cool your home, which in turn lowers your energy bills. Lower energy bills. Old windows often cause drafts, heat loss, and poor insulation, which forces your heating and cooling systems to work overtime. As a result, your energy bills can become unreasonably high. Installing energy-efficient windows can help regulate the temperature inside your home, making it easier to maintain a comfortable climate without overusing your HVAC system. Energy-efficient windows are specifically designed to limit air leakage and control heat transfer, significantly reducing energy consumption. According to the U.S. Department of Energy, replacing old windows with energy-efficient models can save homeowners anywhere from 10% to 25% on annual heating and cooling costs. In addition to direct energy savings, energy-efficient windows can help you qualify for rebates or tax incentives offered by local or federal programs, making the investment even more attractive. By opting for new window installation in Laurel, you're not only improving your home's comfort but also making an eco-friendly choice that reduces your energy costs. Better temperature regulation. One of the biggest challenges in homes with old windows is temperature regulation. Without proper insulation, rooms can become too hot in the summer or too cold in the winter. This leads to the constant running of air conditioning or heating systems, making it harder to keep your home at a comfortable temperature. Energy-efficient windows help regulate your home's internal temperature by preventing heat loss in the winter and keeping unwanted heat out during the summer. This allows your heating and cooling systems to operate more efficiently, leading to better comfort with less energy consumption. Whether it's a sweltering summer or a frigid winter, new windows make it easier to maintain a comfortable indoor environment without constantly adjusting your thermostat or relying on inefficient heating or cooling. Noise reduction. In addition to improving energy efficiency, energy-efficient windows can help reduce external noise. Older windows often allow noise from outside to enter the home, which can be bothersome, especially if you live in a busy area of Laurel near traffic or other sources of noise. Many energy-efficient windows feature a laminated glass layer that helps dampen sound transmission. This added layer of glass and airspace reduces noise from outside, providing you with a quieter, more peaceful living space. If you live in a noisy neighborhood or near a busy street, upgrading to soundproof windows as part of your window installation in Laurel can significantly improve your home's ambiance and make it a more relaxing environment. Increased home value. Investing in energy-efficient windows can also increase your home's value, making it more attractive to potential buyers. Homes with modern, energy-efficient features are more appealing in today's market, as buyers are increasingly looking for homes with lower utility costs and a smaller environmental footprint. Energy-efficient windows are an attractive feature when selling your home, as they not only improve comfort and reduce bills but also enhance curb appeal. Buyers often appreciate the long-term savings associated with energy-efficient home upgrades. Whether you plan to stay in your home for years to come or are considering selling in the future, window installation in Laurel can provide lasting value and increased appeal for your property. Conclusion. For homeowners in Laurel, investing in energy-efficient window installation is one of the best decisions you can make to improve your home's comfort, energy efficiency, and value. Whether you're looking to reduce energy bills, improve insulation, or enjoy a quieter home, new windows are a worthwhile investment. By opting for double or triple pane windows, low-E coatings, and professional installation, you can enjoy a more energy-efficient home that performs better year-round, while reducing your environmental impact and saving on heating and cooling costs.